Hello everyone, this is Dr. Ardia Amin from Corona Foot and Ankle, and today I am talking to you from a kitchen. I love to cook. Do you love to cook? Maybe you love washing dishes, like my husband. Well, we want to make sure that your body is as healthy as possible so you can cook me something yummy. So how do we do that safely? Well, you make sure that you're wearing some type of shoe with a thick rubber sole. It could be athletic style, it could be a house slipper, but something with a firm rubber sole. Secondly, this gel mat. This is the key. Make sure you purchase one of these nice thick gel kitchen mats. You put it in front of the stove, your food prep area, your kitchen sink. Guys, this will spare you from all kinds of foot discomfort, foot pain, and back pain. Yes, my back pain went away just using this mat because, again, I love to cook. I spend hours and hours in the kitchen, and my back pain gone since I got this. Now remember, these come in a lot of different colors and textures and patterns to match your beautiful kitchen. And your feet are your wheels, and we keep you moving.